The National Union of Road Transport Workers (NURTW) has called on President Bola Tinubu, the Inspector General of Police, and the Minister of Justice and Attorney General of the Federation Lateef Fagbemi to prevail on the former president of the union, Najim Usman Yassin, to vacate the union's national secretariat in line with the order of the court to avoid a breakdown of law and order. The president of the union, Alhaji Tajuddin Ibikunle Baruwa, stated this on Thursday in Abuja at a press conference addressed by his lawyer, Tolu Babaleye, on the judgment of the National Industrial Court delivered on March 11, 2024 by Justice O.O. Oyewumi, which affirmed Baruwa as the validly elected president of the union for a second term. He described the statement made by Najim in a viral video as contentious and affront to the law, where he made a derogatory statement in an attempt to downplay the authority of the court, that the judgment of the court amounted to nothing and that they have resolved to install one Musiliu Ayinde Akinsanya aka MC Oluomo as national president of the union, and also install Mustafa Adekunle as Lagos State chairman. He said, "We are aware of a video on social media where Alhaji Najim Yassin gathered some people telling them that there is nothing the court can do." He said, "I want to sound a note of warning that Alhaji Najim Yassin should be aware that is a court order restraining him from interfering in the affairs of the union." He said, "We are using this opportunity to call on the President of Federal Republic of Nigeria, Minister of Justice and Attorney General of the Federation, Minister of Labour and Employment, Inspector General of Police, AIG Zone 7, FCC Commissioner of Police to give effect to the judgment of National Industrial Court recognizing Alhaji Tajuddin Ibikunle Baruwa as valid and substantive elected president of NURTW," the lawyer said. He narrated how Najim's illegal group executed a coup d'etat to hijack the National Secretariat of the Union with the help of the police, who unjustly arrested Baruwa and other executed members and later charged them to court for the offense they never committed. According to Babaleye, on the 11th March 2024, a judgment was delivered in which the election of Alhaji Tajuddin Ibikunle Baruwa was confirmed as valid and that nothing should stop him from performing as democratically elected president of the union along with all other members of National Executive Council. The court granted all the reliefs sought by the claimants except in relief 1 of the originating summons. Well, relief 9 succeed only the extent of the first defendant. The court also declared the action of the fourth defendant, Kayode Agbeyanju, who has been parading himself as acting general secretary, as null and void. Well, okay. The court also declared Kayode Adeya, who has be parading and is null and void, unlawful and no effect, therefore affirming Comrade Suleiman Abdulkader as acting secretary of the union. On his own part, Alhaji Tajuddin Ibikunle appealed to the members of the unions across the state to remain calm, adding that the relevant authorities would do the needful and ensure that the court was obeyed. All this Agbero work still giving trouble here and there. Still giving trouble here and there. When are they going to close all this? In Nigeria, every second, every minute, one problem or the other. Seek Tinubu intervention for Mr. Oluomo to vacate the after court ruling is insane. I predicted this and it's come to pass. You see, the commander of Uganda army, Tinubu intervention. How can he intervene when he is the one empowering MC Oluomo? Seek Tinubu intervention after court order. There's a country telling Tinubu to do that. To do that is like telling him to bite himself. At least without this level, you couldn't have known his name. first go soon fight go soon start to seek Tinubu intervention after the court judgment. And wow, is Lagos parks and garages same as NURTW? Lagos Group is no longer part of NURTW and cannot validly contest national leadership of the body. Anyway, I am not even their member and doesn't know their modus operandi. Which country is this? Court gives Agbero order until president intervention before the police do their job. Country of nepotism, tribalism, cabals, budget padding, corruption. Small time now, fight go start for Oshodi. CMC Oluomo as Seyi is above the law. CMC Oluomo as Seyi because it's above the law. It's a father and son thing. Do you want Tinubu intervention to supersede court judgment? MC Oluomo no gree for them. It is your turn. No gree for anybody. No gree for anybody. You are seeking intervention from the wrong person. One of the structure they built in Lagos. No vacation without a counterforce. If they succeed, it will expose Tinubu. Beginning of the end. Funny country. Una never see anything. Yet, Emi look on. Baba na your turn. No grief for anybody. This no grief for anybody statement. It's so funny, honestly. Steal it, grab it, and run with it. Is he the commander of the separate army? Minister of Transport and Miscreants. Okay, FIFA boy. Seek Tinubu intervention. Mr. Oluomo, tell them say, Emi lo kan. Nothing wey anybody go fit do. Ìwọ ló kàn. Oti Oluomo ló kàn. Isn't it funny? It is.